Hello everyone, welcome to Electrical Fun channel English version. Today we're gonna set two switch and two socket open surface box wiring. Take all the equipment required. Without wasting any time, let's get started. If it's your first time watching our video, please like, share and subscribe now. Materials required. Take 6 modular open surface box. So this product from HIFI company. And again, 2 HIFI company sockets or company product if it is modular type. And next we have 2 switches. This all products are modular version because it is very easy to use. And now let's start the wiring. First of all, take a socket and assemble it. I will make it quick so it won't take long. The reason behind we are using the modular product is easier to assemble. Now the assembling the socket board is prepared. It's easier this way. Now all we have to do is wire it. Now this switch to this socket and this switch to this socket. Now we are going to connect in sequence. Now I took a wire and measured the wire beforehand. Then I will attach the wire to the pieces. First of all, I will lift this screw. I connected the wire at the top of the switch. Remember that this one on left is line. Now this is neutral, this wire to the line. Now I made a one connection to the line. Now I take another wire. So I measured it properly how much is required. Connect the wire from socket to switch. It's the same method from before. Now we two connected both same method as before, switch to socket. Take another piece of wire, joint neutral to neutral. I already taken the measurement. We are connecting the neutral wire from socket to socket. Now take a look, it doesn't matter what color wire you choose, the diameter of wire is important. So this piece of wire for earthing purpose, so the color doesn't matter. The color of wire we took just for understanding purpose. For face is red, for neutral it is blue and green for earthing. Let's connect the earthing wire top of the socket. Now we finished the connection in socket board. Now we have taken a wire and stripped its insulation to take gauge of copper wire. Now cut it down. The copper wire is properly twisted. The lower line of switch is shorted with copper wire. Now we are starting at these two switches. Open the screws of bottom line of the switch. Insert the copper wire bottom of the switch. Remove the extra section for the safety precautions. Take a good look how it is connected. Now we took the long wire. We already prepared this. Red for main line, blue for neutral, and green for earth line. Take a face wire first. Connect to the bottom line of the switch. After connecting the red wire, the stripped copper wire is attached to it. They both are shorted with the help of copper wire so it can control the both switches at the same time. Blue for neutral connection. Now we almost finished neutral connection. Next move on to the earthing connection. We need to fix it perfectly. We need to check it if it is loose connection or not. Now we finished our connection. Line wire to socket, neutral to socket, and earthing to top. Now we are gonna finish the setup. Now complete the setup with screws and connect it tightly. We fixed the screw tightly. Now 2 switch and 2 sockets with open surface box wiring finished. Now we are connecting to the supply and then test it with the help of bulb. Now we are taking the help of 100 watts bulb. It would be better if you test the setup with the help of tester. Now we have the final result of this setup, then check the both sides of the socket and switch. So that's all for now for today's video. If anyone wants the Hindi version of this video, check it out in our channel. Please like, share and subscribe our electrical fun channel. See you all in our next video. Thanks for watching.